Okay, today we shall discussing the problems on Poisson distribution. I am already telling that the Poisson distribution is also comes under discrete probability distribution. Okay, discrete probability distribution. But how we should recognize this problem is comes under either binomial or Poisson, because both are comes under discrete probability distribution on the basis of P and N. Similarly, when the P is a bigger, N is a smaller, we are applying the binomial distribution. But wherever P is very small, that is 0.002 or 0.02, commonly where probability will be lesser, commonly N should be a bigger value. At that time, you are applying Poisson distribution. See, this is the problem. 2% of the fuses manufactured by a company are found to be defective. Find the probability that a box containing 200 fuses containing no defective, 3 or more defective. See, first of all is given probability is 2%, means 2% is a defective, that is P is equal to 2 divided by 100, which is 0.02, and N is given 200. See, in this problem here P is a smaller, that is very smaller, and N is a bigger value. Therefore, we are applying a Poisson distribution. Wherever after recognize this is the Poisson distribution, you know what is the function. I am telling that P of x equal to e power minus m to the power of x by x factorial, where m is nothing but m is equal to n into p. Only m is a parameter in the case of binomial distribution, in the case of Poisson distribution, that is a 200 into 0.02, that is m is equal to 4. Okay, then replace first m value, P of x equal to e power minus 4 whole to the power of x by x factorial. First is telling no defective. What is meaning of no defective? Means probability x equal to 0. Now replace e power minus 4, the value of x equal to 0, 4 power 0, 0 factorial. 0 factorial value is also equal to 1, 4 power 0 also equal to 1. When you check, the e power minus 4 is nothing but 0.0183. That is the probability in which no defective. 3 or more defective. What is the meaning of 3 or more? Means probability when x is greater than or equal to 3. Means we are going to from 3 to 200. It is somewhat difficult to find the value of 300 to 3 to 200. Instead of that, I am going to find 1 minus, because total probability is always equal to 1. Means from 0 to 200, the probability value is total value 1. In that one, you subtract P of 0 plus P of 1 plus P of 2. Okay, now replace in the P of x when x e power minus 4 is a constant, you will take it outside. When x equal to 0, 4 power 0, 1, x 0 factorial also 1, plus when x is 1, 4 divided by 1 factorial means 4. When x equal to 2, 4 square 16 divided by 2 factorial means 2. That is a 1 plus 4 plus 8. And 1 minus e power minus 4 into 13 multiple to e power minus 4, then subtract by 1, you get 0.7618. This is the probability when x is greater than or equal to 3. Okay, next one more problem. See, I am telling where probability will be very small, then commonly we are applying the Poisson distributions. Okay, if the probability of a bad reaction from a certain injection is one more problem, which is 0.001. Determine that out of 2000 individuals, more than 2 will get a bad reaction. More than 2 will get a bad reaction. Okay, first you write the data. Probability is 0.001, n is 2000. You see this problem, probability is very less, and n is 2000 is a bigger value. I am telling that where p is smaller, n is a bigger, you are applying a Poisson distribution. Okay, here p is very small and n is a bigger, so you are applying a Poisson distribution. Okay, first you are going to find m value, where m is equal to n into p. 0.001 into 2000 is m is equal to 2. Okay, now write the function p of x equal to e power minus m to the power of x by x factorial. Is telling more than 2. More than 2 means above 2. Probability x greater than 2. What is the meaning of probability x greater than 2? Means from 3 up to infinity, up to 2000. I think it is very difficult to find all these values. Instead of that, if you want from 3 to 2000, in the 1 you subtract 0, 1, 2. See, probability of x greater than 2 is equal to 1 minus probability x less than or equal to 2. Okay, then 1 minus p of 0 plus p of 1 plus p of 2. Now p of x is e power minus 2 2 power x by x factorial. See, 1 minus, commonly in all the term e power minus 2 is a common factor. I will take it outside because that is a constant term. Okay, when x equal to first 0, when x equal to 0 means I think it is called 2 e power minus 2 already outside, 2 power 0 is 1, 0 factor also 1. Next, when x is 1, when x is 1, 2 power 1 is 2, 1 factor means 1, 2 by 1. When x is 2, 2 square 4, 2 factorial means 2. 4 by 2 to total 5, 5 multiple to e power minus 2 and subtract by 1, you get 0.3233 is the probability when x greater than 2, means that is from 3 to 2000 value. Okay, next I want to find the one more problem. In a certain factory turning out razor blades, there is a small chance of 0.002 for a blade to be defective. The blades are supplied in a pockets 10, means each pocket contains only 10 numbers in each pocket. Using Poisson distribution to calculate the approximate number of pockets containing no defective, 1 defective, 2 defective out of 10,000 pockets. In this problem, he is already mentioned that we use actually the problem is mentioned to use the Poisson distribution. Okay, in the problem is telling I don't want to check how many number of pockets is there, but each pocket contains how many number of items, that is an important here. See, each pocket contains 10, that is called your n. Small n, that is a capital N. Capital N means number of pockets, small n means how many blades will be there in each pocket is called small n. 10, p is 0.002. But in the problem you should not think about you are applying which distribution, because is already mentioned is to apply Poisson distribution in the problem. Therefore, function is p of x equal to e power minus m to the power of x divided by x factorial. Okay, it's telling then first m is called, see, 10 into 0.002 is 0.02. Now replace in the m e power minus 0.02 0.02 to the power of x divided by x factorial. Okay, first of all I want to find no defective, that is probability x equal to 0. I think e power minus 0.02 into 0.02 to the power of 0, that is called 0 factorial. Okay, probability x equal to 0 means I think 0.9801. This is the probability in which no defective. But now is asking to find what is the probability out of 10,000 pockets, how many pockets are in which no defectives. See, this probability is multiplied to the number of pockets, then it gives the number of pockets in which no defectives here. See, 0.9801 multiplied by 10,000, you get 9801. 9801 is the number of pockets in which no defective. And next is asking to find one defective, means probability x equal to 1. Now put x equal to 1, e power minus 0.02 into 0.02 divided by 1 factorial means 0.0196 is the probability. But he is asking to find how many number of pockets. That probability multiplied the number of pockets then gives how many number of pockets will be there. Okay, so that is a 196 when you multiply 0.0196 to the 10,000, means 196 is the number of pockets in which one defective out of 10,000 pockets. Last one is asking to find two defective. E power minus, that means put x equal to 2, probability x equal to 2, e power minus 0.02 into 0.02 to the power of 2 divided by 2, that is 1.96 into 10 to the power of minus 4. When you multiply, you get 1.96 to the 10,000, that is approximately 2. 2 is the number of pockets in which 2 defective out of the 10,000 pockets. See, like that, when problem is given, you should be recognized this is comes under binomial or Poisson. Commonly, when n is a bigger, n is a smaller, apply the binomial distribution. Where p is a very small and n is a bigger, apply the Poisson distribution. Commonly in Poisson distribution, probability is very small. Wherever it appears a rare cases, then you are applying the Poisson distributions.